I'm sure you've heard the news. Cardano is making waves in the blockchain world. Ready to dive in? First things first, you'll need a solid machine with plenty of storage and RAM, and a Linux-based system like Ubuntu. Got a stable internet connection? Great. Next, install the Haskell platform. It's crucial for building the Cardano node. Don't forget other dependencies your OS might need. Now download the Cardano node software. You can grab the source code from the Cardano repository or go for pre-built binaries. Time to configure. Choose your network, mainnet, testnet, or private. Set your storage and logging preferences. Ready to start? Use the command to launch your node and keep an eye on the logs. Remember, full nodes need more resources, while pruned nodes save space. And stay secure, update software, and use strong passwords. Finally, monitor your node's health with tools like Cardano Cli. There you have it. Setting up a Cardano node made easy.